The comments that came from senior Congress leader, Mr. Sam Petroda, is indeed very unfortunate, and it has really hurt the sentiments of the people of Northeast and similarly people from other parts of the country. Being a person from the Northeast, we have seen and experienced in the past years, in the past decades, different kind of racial discrimination against the people of the Northeast. And we had hoped that we have gone beyond that now. But when we hear senior leaders from the Congress party speak in such derogatory and discriminatory language, it does really hurt the sentiments of our people. And so whatever context they may say that they have spoken in any context, a particular comment like this doesn't really go too well with the people of the country. This country is a diverse country, and the principles of this country is based on the diversity of the people that we have, whether in terms of its culture, the language, the looks, and that is what makes India what it is. And when you start to discriminate and make such kind of statements, it really goes against the entire idea of India itself. And therefore, I am very hurt, and we condemn this particular statement from the senior Congress party leader, Mr. Sam Petroda. Absolutely. As always mentioned in the past also, that India is a diverse country, and we have seen many situations in the past decades where especially people from Northeast have suffered such kind of racial discrimination, and these kind of comments have been made, which, as I said, has been very, very painful. And therefore, when it comes from a senior Congress leader, then it hurts even more. And as I said, therefore, this is not going to go in line of really trying to bring the country together. And therefore, it's really, as I said, it's sad, and it should not have been said. And we highly condemn this particular statement made by the particular individual. The Congress party has distanced itself from the comments, but if it was a small individual, a leader, a member, it would not maybe distancing themselves from the comment would be possible. But here we are talking about a very senior member, a member who has worked with the former Prime Minister, been part of their government in the past, and hence a person at that level giving a statement is equivalent to Congress party's stand on certain issues. And therefore it has to go beyond just simply saying that they are distancing themselves. Silence would only lead to people believing that this is also the stand of the Congress party. So they will need to do more than just simply saying that they are distancing themselves from this comment made by the individual.